Not just one but two beauty queens ang featured sa debut single ni Michelle Marquez D na first collaboration din ng GMA Music at Star Music. Sino kaya sila? Silipin sa aking chika. Being a queen never stops for Michelle D. Ang kanyang latest offering, hindi sa rampa o sa telebisyon. This time, sa music naman siya magre-reyna. Dinayo ng GMA Integrated News ang shooting ng kanyang music video. And as expected, very queenly ang dating ni Michelle habang nasa shooting on and off cam. Very appropriate sa title ng danceable song niyang Reyna. Another power collab between Star Music and GMA Records.
Nakakataba po talaga ng puso because both networks trust me, trust what I represent, and trusted me with the song also. Of course, this is produced by Star Music and GMA Network. I'm not known as a singer, I'm known as a performer, but music is everywhere, music is forever, and I think it's one of the best ways to tell your story, just how music helps me go through whatever I go through in life too.
To make the shoot more meaningful, pinauwi pa ni Michelle ang kanyang mommy na si Melanie mula sa States para makasama sa mga eksena sa music video. And Melanie did not disappoint.
Kaya ako proud na proud sa kanya kasi alam na alam niya paano i-package yung sarili niya. And this is her first song. And for her to sing, na klaro ang mga lyrics, it's magnificent for me.
To complete the Marquez Beauties, kasama siyempre si Winwin, na sobrang nag-enjoy kasama ang mga beauty queen sa kanilang pamilya. Ang tema ng kanta at kanilang pagsasama, for empowerment daw, sa lahat ng gustong mag-feeling Reyna.
I'm enjoying every moment of it. I'm enjoying all the activities, bonding with the girls. So it's something that I know that I'll cherish talaga after this.
Tonight na ang launch ng official music video ng Reyna.